Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today I have a huge announcement to share with you. Our second cookbook, Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy Volume 2, is now available for pre-order. Yeah! Before I share all the details about the book, let's get the business portion out of the way. This cookbook has been well over a year and a half in the making because we self-published this time around. We tackled every aspect of publishing this book, including the writing, photography, cover and interior designs, as well as carefully selecting the print quality and physical features of the book. Jeff even painted this original portrait of Fred Rogers for the dedication, because for us this project is as much a creative work of art as it is a cookbook. This creative freedom came along with the challenge of self-funding the production and printing up front, so we were only able to print 5,000 copies for this first edition. This means the book will likely sell out quickly. We will print more, but the production cycle runs about 4 months with the printer. So we're offering pre-order right now while the first editions are being printed to give everyone a chance to grab a copy before they're gone. All pre-ordered books should start shipping to your door around July of this year. We are selling this cookbook exclusively through our independent publisher, Mascot Books website. Just follow the link in the description to pre-order your copies. We are also able to offer international shipping through Mascot to just about anywhere on the planet, and will be publishing ebook versions for Kindle and Apple Books that should be available on these platforms around the end of May. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside the book. While working through the editing of the manuscript, we kept adding recipes right up to the very end and managed to squeeze in 112 tasty recipes. We included 46 mouth-watering mains, 17 scrumptious breads and sides, 17 tasty salads and dressings, and 32 sweet-tooth satisfying desserts that will make it easy for anyone to enjoy a plant-based diet. Every recipe has a full-color 2-page spread with a photo so that you can see exactly what to expect when you're making the dish. We wrap the book in a softcover lay-flat binding so it will lay perfectly flat on the counter without the need for book holders or paperweights. And like in our first book, every recipe has a scannable QR code that links directly to a video of me making the dish so that you can cook right alongside me if you have any questions. When we started writing the book, we discussed who would be on our shortlist to write the foreword. We knew immediately that Dr. Michael Greger was on the top of that list, and we were thrilled when he generously agreed to be part of this project. We like to include educational content in our cookbooks, so they make great gifts for people just learning about plant-based living. So we invited guest authors to share their plant-based expertise in the book. Nelson Campbell of Plant Pure contributed an enlightening article on the connection between plant-based living and climate change. Robbie and Cyrus from Mastering Diabetes wrote a fantastic article on a plant-based diet and diabetes. And Doug Evans, author of the Sprout book, contributed a great article on the power of sprouts. I hope you all enjoy this cookbook as much as we have enjoyed creating it. Be sure to pre-order your copies today, and I'll see you next week for another great recipe.